What's wrong with you?
I have a cold.
You too? Bad. Well, I guess it's time to pick out our favorite flavor of cough medicine.
Actually, I think it's the weather change. It did get cold quick, didn't it?
It sure did. And since the weather is so sporadic, I highly recommend one of these weather stations. This thing will tell you the temperature and humidity inside and outside, has a date, the time, alarm clock, and a calendar. This thing does it all.
Oh yeah, I have one of those. It's cool. It tells you that?
How? It has a wireless sensor that goes up to 200 feet. So essentially, it will detect all the information that it needs, relays that back to the receiver display. What are you doing?
I'm trying to sneeze. It's stuck.
I hate when a sneeze gets stuck. Don't worry, it'll come out eventually.
You carry any other kinds of weather stations?
Indeed we do. The one that I showed you was more advanced. We do have some more basic ones that just simply tells you the temperature. Why don't you tickle your nose or something?
This is terrible. Yeah, but you look silly though.
Trip, we have tissues.
I'm good, thanks.
I told you to come out eventually.
Yes, you did. You're a psychic. I am so sorry.
No problem.